Hi everybody, what are you going to do with this old Mac? Today I am going to show you the way that I use my old Mac. Closer look at my Mac. Requirement for this project includes of a mini Mac PC, a thumb drive, and a speaker, and also a computer or a laptop. Okay, now let's get started. That fits this project, but I want to recommend you to use the software named Volumio for this project. There are two versions of this software. The first software for Raspberry Pi and the second one for PC. So I download this one because my Mac run Intel chip, and I download this one. So I just wait to finish. After the download finished, we need another software named Banana Eater to flash it into the thumb drive. Now we choose the ISO file, this Volumio, and select the target and choose thumb drive. Make sure that you have the correct size of the thumb drive and flash. Type the password to do this. It decompressing the file and flashing into the thumb drive. We just wait to finish it, and it also validates the processed the file in the thumb drive. Okay, plug in like this. This is keyboard and this is thumb drive, and connect to the monitor and LAN connector, and this is power. Okay, the first time to boot into the thumb drive, we need to press the option button on the keyboard. So we need to connect to the keyboard. Okay, when you press the option button on the keyboard, it boot like this, and you choose boot to boot into Volumio on your computer, or you can use web browser to access Volumio by this address like this, and you can enter, and you can choose next for your language. Next, and the name of the device, the output of the audio. For me, I choose this one. And music sources. There are many sources that you can choose next in. You can store music in the drive, or you can use a NAS or internal storage. For me, I can set up later. This is the user interface of Volumio. Okay, so after this finished, you go to menu, system, and scroll down. And this is the option that you install the Volumio into the hard drive of the Mac PC. Okay, and just click. When you install the Volumio into the hard drive, you do not need the thumb drive anymore. You can plug it out. After this successful, you can unplug your thumb drive and click restart. To control Volumio, we install the Volumio app on App Store or set C at play like this, and you choose Volumio like this, and now you take control the Volumio. That's on for the hardware and the software, and now take it in action. So now you can see that I just only have a USB to connect to my sound card and network cable. Just only to this, and this the power. the sound card for audio output, and it can work fine with volume.